Here we have to find the derivative of tangent of x to the power of tangent of x. Now normally when you have to find the derivative of a function with something kind of strange as a power, the best thing to do is to transform this function into another type of function and then take the derivative of that function. In this case, we can change this function into e to the power of tangent of x times ln of tangent of x. Now the reason we can do this is, keep in mind that e to the power of ln of something is just equal to that something. So this e to the power of ln of tangent x is just equal to tangent x. So you can bring tangent x down over here, and then it'll be taken to the power of tangent x. So this expression right here is the same thing as this expression. Now the reason we changed it to e to the power of tangent of x times ln of tangent of x is that there's actually a rule to differentiate a function where it's e to the power of something. The derivative of e to the power of something is just e to the power of something times the derivative of that something. In this case, the derivative of this is just e to the power of tangent of x times ln of tangent of x. So let's just write over here again, e to the power of tangent of x times ln of tangent of x times, and now we have to take the derivative of tangent of x times ln of tangent of x. And now in this case, we just have to use the product rule because there are because two things are getting multiplied by each other, tangent of x and then ln of tangent of x. So we just have to use the product rule. So let's start with tangent of x. Because remember, the product rule is just derivative of the first function times the second function plus the derivative of the second function times the first function. So we have times the derivative of tangent of x, which in this case is well known to be secant squared of x, times the second function, ln of tangent of x, plus the derivative of the second function times the first function. So the derivative of ln of tangent of x is just 1 over tangent of x times secant squared of x, which is the derivative of tangent of x again. So it's 1 over tangent of x times secant squared of x times tangent of x. But keep in mind, the 1 over tangent of x and the tangent of x cancel out with each other, so you just get secant squared of x. And this, and we are almost done, this is the full derivative, but we can change this back to tangent of x to the power of tangent of x. Because again, like we said before, this function is the same thing as this function, just written differently. And again, it's multiplied by secant squared of x times ln of tangent of x plus secant squared of x. And this is the derivative of tangent of x to the power of tangent of x. And we are done.